Hi everyone, this is a question that is from conversion of galvanometer to what? To voltmeter. Okay, now the question on board says a milli, a milli, a milliammeter is a type of galvanometer, right? Don't be confused, it's a type of galvanometer. Okay, a milliammeter of resistance 5 ohms and the full scale deflection of 50 milliampere is to be used to measure a potential difference of 50 volts. Calculate the resistance of the multiplier. If you want to convert a galvanometer to voltmeter, okay, you now connect a type of resistance called multiplier in series with the galvanometer, which we call in this question milliammeter. Okay, now if we connect this multiplier in series with it, which is a resistance, you have so, and that resistance used to be high, a very high resistance. You now succeeded in converting it to voltmeter. Okay, it is that multiplier, that type of resistance, that they say we should calculate and know the value. This is the diagram. Okay, this is the milliammeter, which is a type of galvanometer. This milliammeter, the full scale of it is 50 milliammeter. Okay, then the resistance of this meter is 5 ohms. Now we want to convert this galvanometer to enable us measure a potential difference of 50 volts. We now connect multiplier to it. This is the multiplier we connected, a very high resistance, in order to convert it. And this multiplier now is what we are calculating. Now let's calculate it. The formula is Rm equals to V minus Ig Rg all over Ig. This is the formula we will use to calculate this multiplier they are asking us. The formula is the resistance M, means the multiplier, a type of resistance, is equal to the voltage that we want to convert this thing to minus current that enters, the current that the galvanometer is able to measure, which is 50 milliammeter, times the resistance of the galvanometer, which is 5 ohms, all over the same current that the milliammeter can measure. Okay, so this is the formula. Rm stands for the multiplier we are looking for. V stands for the voltage, which is 50. We want to convert this meter to. Then the Ig here stands for the current that this meter can measure, which is 50 milliampere, times the resistance of the same meter, which is 5 ohms. Now we will substitute the value here to get the value of our multiplier. Right now, substituting it, we now have Rm, which is the multiplier, equals to V is 50 minus, in bracket, the current of galvanometer, which is 50 milliampere, and when we convert it to ampere, it will be 0.05, because we will divide it with 100 times the resistance of the galvanometer, which is 5, all over 0.05, which is the current of the galvanometer. We now have Rm we are looking for equals to 50 minus, when we multiply 0.05 times 5, what will it give us? Now give us 0.25 all over 0.05, which will give us equals to, when we subtract 0.25 from 50, what do we have? We now have 49.75 all over 0.05. Okay. Now the final answer now becomes Rm equals to, bring your calculator and divide it. 49.75 divided by 0.05. What will it give us? It will give us 995 ohms. 995 ohms. So the value of the multiplier they are asking us, the value of the multiplier they're asking us is 995 ohms. Can you see is a very high resistance? Okay. We now connect it in series with the meter. We have now succeeded in converting the meter from galvanometer to ammeter. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and follow. Thank you.